Hello, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you are healthy, safe, and active at home. We all were curiously waiting for the decision of lockdown on 14th April. But unfortunately, the decision is extended till 3rd May. So again, we are cluttered with boring, unusual routines which are affecting our daily goals. So, today I have got a 5S plan to share with you all to get in routine. To get in routine is really important for children to feel that they are in school. So let's talk about the 5S plan which I have got for you. But before that, it's my request, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe our YouTube channel Gurukulam the School Rewari, and also hit the bell icon to get the notifications of more videos, right? So let's not waste time and directly head to the 5S plan which I'm gonna be sharing, and I know this is gonna be helping you out with basic things that you can schedule for you to work out throughout a day. So my first S is set your schedule, set your timetable. Setting your timetable is really important because we are out of routine nowadays. We are sleeping at any moment. We are retiring to bed late nights. If we are retiring to bed late nights, then definitely we are getting up early in the morning, late night. So this is gonna be affecting our daily routines. So to set the daily routines, it's very important to set the timetable first, so that you can feel that you are doing the things at school the same way you follow in school. Next is next is start your day with prayers. Starting your day the same we do in school while following prayer assembly is very important, because when you start your day while enchanting mantras or Gayatri mantras or Saraswati Vandana or any prayer which gives you peace, which gives a positivity all around, this not only help you to give calmness in your mind, but also creates a positive energy around you to set your goals for the rest of day. My third is study time. It's very important that you impart study time properly to each subject, because every subject is important, especially those subjects which needs attention and practice, like maths and your science. So give more time to these subjects, but that doesn't mean that you pay less attention to linguistic subjects like English, Hindi, Sanskrit, or any other language subject if it is a part of your curriculum. Because I personally believe that mastering an art subject is a key to master another subjects. And my fourth S is really very, very important. Fourth S is spare time for physical activities, as we usually do in school. In school, we have a proper, allotted time for physical activities like games period, or you can say that time for dancing and time for your, other physical activities like volleyball game or basketball and all others. But the challenge is at home, how you can do the physical course or physical activities. That's a goal-oriented task. So a lot of works are there which you can do at home, like dancing, yoga, and aerobics, jumping, squats, duckling walks, and also you can contribute to parents' physical course, like helping your mom for physical course like mopping, cleaning the floor, and dusting. So these are also tasks which helps you to release your physical energy. and a physical energy not only gives you a healthy lifestyle, but also keeps your hormones level balanced and active for rest of the day. Fifth S, which is really very very important in everybody's life. So my fifth S is self development time. Now you must be wondering that self development, yes, everything is totally dependent on self development. As in school we always get period for art and craft, we get period for another activities which keeps our hobbies and other interests alive. So self development is very very important here. So you can spare some time for self development activities like to grow your hobbies and interest. So how you can spare some time? When you get up early in the morning and retiring to bed early in the morning, because there is an important saying behind it: early to rise, early to bed makes healthy, wise and perfect man, right? So self development में आप अपने फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज़ में अपने जैसे डांसिंग अगर आपको पसंद है, या और कोई चीज़ जो आपको जैसे आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट अच्छा लगता है, पेंटिंग अच्छा लगता है, तो यू कीप योर हॉबीज एंड अदर थिंग्स अलाइव. सो दीज आर माई 5S प्लान टू put you in routine, right? So please, it's my request and advice to all of you, please set your 5S plan in front of you and decide that how you can divide your day throughout the with this timetable, right? Thank you for listening me. आज के लिए बस इतना ही. नेक्स्ट जल्दी ही मिलूंगी फिर किसी नई टॉपिक के साथ. थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू. बाय बाय.